Here is the cold start for the 1987 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 435. It's a 1300L ambulance. I've set up another camera directed at the exhaust pipe just so you can see that live while I shoot in the cab. All right, so as you can see, I've popped the hood, and I'll just touch various parts of the engine here. I started this car up a couple days ago, but not since then. So I'm gonna touch these areas here. Manifold, the turbo, can't quite reach the turbo. Anyway, turbo's down here. So yeah, all cold. And then here we have the camera set up for the exhaust. I'll hit record here. So this is all live. All right, head inside the cab. Have the battery kill here. There's an ethanol pump here if needed. Parking brake, forward, reverse, 8-speed. It's dual direction, of course, so technically it's 16 gears. One turn for the electrics. There it is. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Oh, one more thing. The kill switch. That's how you stop the engine, and then electrics are still on. And kill switch on. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day.